Now, there is a skill in 2026 that is highly in demand. Let me say the demand has actually shifted drastically since the last 3 months because of the AI evolution. Let me put it that way: AI expanding and the introduction to different businesses. Now, this skill is Go High Level. This is the shirt, so that you know that I am not a stranger to it. This is a shirt of recognition by Go High Level. Now, Go High Level might be the single most valuable skill you add to your freelance toolkit this year. If you are just starting, Go High Level is very good for you. If you have been there, Go High Level is a good option for you to explore. Do you understand? Now, the beautiful thing about Go High Level is the fact that you see a lot of skills that most people have is put together and it is needed inside Go High Level. Now, let me start by saying that Go High Level isn't just a CRM that actually the smallest part of what it does. Think of it as a 6 or 7 tools a business would normally pay for separately: a CRM, an email tool, a text message tool, a website and funnel builder, a booking calendar, a payment processor, a review management tool, all fused into one platform under one login. Now, let me explain this further. Go High Level is a system in itself that has a lot of features put together in it. Do you get? Now, in Go High Level, if you are a website developer, like a website designer, it is a plus for you on Go High Level because Go High Level has website development. It has WordPress there. If you are someone who is into email marketing, campaign design, template design, code emailing, code marketing with email and all of those, it is a plus for you in Go High Level because Go High Level has the email and SMS feature for it for businesses. If you are the type that is very good with AI and automations, chatbots, a lot of things like that, they are all inside of Go High Level. Go High Level has its conversations. You can integrate it with social medias, the Instagram, the Telegram, the LinkedIn, the TikTok, the Facebook, the YouTube. Do you understand? The WhatsApp. Go Level has that feature where you can integrate all of this system and you can schedule posts for those who are into social media management and social media marketing. Let me explain the social media management aspect and how it is a plus for you on Go Level. Is that, you know, as a social media manager, you get to engage with the audience via their DMs. You know, you are a social media manager for a fashion brand in the USA. So you post, you create posts, you schedule them, or you post manually. But with Go High Level, you are able to create those posts, you schedule them on Go High Level, then Go High Level post it as and when due on each of those platforms. The way you schedule them, that okay, I want this post to go out on the 11th of September by 9 a.m. On Instagram, I want it to go by 10 a.m. On TikTok, I want it to go by 11 on YouTube. Stuff like that, you can manage all of those inside of Go High Level and it automatically posts them. For those who are into social, who have mastered social media marketing, those who are running ad, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Google Ads, all of those, Go High Level has a dashboard where you can manage all your ads. It has that feature in it. So now, Go High Level in 2026 is a CRM. It's a software that is highly in demand in 2026 because it has shifted from all those basic features, like all the basic approach. It has joined AI and it is moving very, very fast. Now, with Go High Level, it comes with the AI. Where is it? Now, the AI layer, Go High Level now has an entire suite of AI tools built directly into the platform. The voice AI that can answer a missed call at midnight and book the appointment before the business owner even wakes up. That is even one crazy thing about Go High Level. Now, I helped a client with setting up this stuff and my email is still in the client's system. I get emails that your AI has completed a call for you, an appointment has been booked at night, the client's time. Do you understand? Imagine me getting an email around, let me say I'm getting it around 6 a.m. here or 5 a.m. here. That is 11 p.m. in the US and 12 midnight in the US. And it is showing that a call has been successfully completed. And the beautiful thing about it is voice AI. It talks to the person like they are talking to a real person. Except you are familiar with the system, you will not know you are not talking to a real person. And you will learn how from me. You will learn how to train the AI to be able to speak in the language of that business. If you want to work with someone who is into real estate, there's a way we train the AI in the order of the real estate terms and terminologies, then it speaks the language of that person. We get content, the owner of that business will tell you about their business, we craft scripts and we train the AI with it. AI will do the work of 10 people. We'll be doing it hand in hand. Another one is conversation AI that responds to messages instantly in the business's own voice. Have you ever messaged someone on Instagram? You will not know that a bot is replying you. And the responses you'll be getting from this bot will be so related to what you need. It will be speaking in that language. If you are chatting someone who is a fashion designer and a bot from AI in GoHighLevel is replying you, you will not know that it is a bot that is replying, because we have trained that AI in the order of that their business. If you are chatting someone who is into car detailing the way it is in the USA, you will communicate with a bot and you will not know that a bot is the one actually replying you on either Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. A bot will be doing that. That is a conversation AI. There's content AI that writes the email or the social post for you, an agent studio where you can literally build a custom AI receptionist for a business from scratch. Do you understand? Here is why that matters for you specifically. Every business owner right now is being asked by their own customers, do you have an AI chatbot? Do you have an AI assistant? And most of them have no idea how to build one. The reason I said it is a plus if you master it. Some of you have businesses already you are working with. You have business in different niches, but those businesses, as loud as GoHighLevel is, the voice is still very low. Out of the number of people existing and out of the number of business owners who needs GoHighLevel, there is limited, they don't have the full awareness yet. Some even here, they don't know the capacity. They don't know what AI can do now. So the gap between the business that need this and freelancers who actually know how to build it is exactly where the money is in 2026. GoHighLevel isn't selling because it's trendy. It's selling because it solves a real, expensive, ongoing problem for real businesses, and almost nobody is trained to deliver properly. I will train you myself. This is what I've been doing for years, and I've tried to show some result that I've gotten. Now, the conviction should not come from the result, but the conviction should come from me assuring you that we gain knowledge and experience when we work together. Do you understand? Now, from what I said, GoHighLevel is a CRM that has all of those tools. So if you have a business that is hosting on WordPress, they are paying about $70-something to about $100 per month to host on website on WordPress. They buy domain, they pay. They want to send email marketing campaigns, they use MailChimp, they pay, depending on the number of contacts in MailChimp, they pay about $70-something, $50-something, $120, all of those. If you want to use Webinar Jam, Webinar is already on inside GoHighLevel. But if you want to, some businesses are using separate Webinar. They are paying about $40-something there. If you want to automatically schedule your post, so it can be posting across different platforms, all this, the buffer, all those CRMs that are used for scheduling posts automatically onto social media, they are paying about $50-something, $70-something, $80-something, $90-something, depending on the packages. So if the business also wants to use chatbots so that it can automatically reply to DMs, answer comments, all of those, they pay for many chats, for flow charts, all of those are about $80-something per month, $90-something. Now, if you want to have a salesperson who will hop on a call, that also has a limitation because they can't work, human beings can't work 24 hours. They are almost always only available during work hours, maybe between 9 to 5 p.m., depending on the agreement there. So if you are introducing this system that is all in one, the AI conversation and the AI the voice AI inside the GoHighLevel is replacing salespersons. Now put all of those things together and tell me the amount that business is probably spending on all of those in a month. They are spending roughly $250 to run. So imagine they are spending almost $250, $300, $500, $800, depending on the stuff they are, the packages of each of those softwares they are using, the package they subscribe to. So imagine a CRM that has all of those working together effectively. That is what GoHighLevel is doing. And this GoHighLevel has been since for years. It is underneath. Another beautiful thing about GoHighLevel is if a client registers with your link, there is a referral link. I will show you how to get that. If you get a referral link, if a client registers with your link, you get monthly bonus, like a referral commission monthly. GoHighLevel has three plans. There is the $97 plan, there is the $297 plan, there is $497 plan. I am paying the $297 plan monthly, and that is why I say by the time you register for this course, you register for the GoHighLevel mentorship, you have free access to a GoHighLevel account where you can practice. So calculate $297 in your currency, your country's currency. You know how much it is. So it is a subsidized rate for whosoever is interested in this. So now, why you need to take this seriously? One, this isn't a one-time gig. A business doesn't hire someone to build their CRM once and disappear. It is not like website development or some other stuff, maybe a bug fix where they just complete the work and everything is gone. Now, I'm not saying all the businesses that we hire you will place you on retainer, but few among them will want a retainer, and I've gotten it. I have a retainer package for $1,500 per month. I have $2,500 per month. I have $3,500 per month. I have $5,000 per month. I have $7,500 per month packages on retainer, depending on the workload, the demand. Do you get? Because businesses do not have the same volume of needs. Do you understand me now? So every month, because the system needs updating, automations need adjusting, and new features keep coming out. So if you stay ahead of the game, like if you are my student, I will always be updating you of new things. And that is why we kind of took down the courses we had before for the GoHighLevel stuff. I'm creating new courses from scratch because even videos that were dropped last year, they are kind of looking different now inside GoHighLevel. If you want to use certain videos, you can't really navigate your way around it because the interface has changed, some commands, the dashboard, all of those stuff has changed. So you need someone who will take you the new platform and the approach and how to sell it in 2026 and beyond. Do you understand? So two, the competition is still thin. Everyone and their cousin is a graphics designer or a virtual assistant right now. Very few freelancers have actually gone deep on GoHighLevel specifically. Being genuinely good at this right now puts you in a much smaller room. You avoid the competition. Did I say there are no people doing GoHighLevel before you? No. But the how should I put it? The demand is higher than the supply. Like the number of demand from GoHighLevel, like the demand for GoHighLevel, especially in the area of AI automation, the chatbot and all of those, the demand for them, because those businesses, many of them can't, they are not that tech savvy. Do you understand? Some are tech savvy, but they don't even have the time, so they need help. Do you understand me now? So very few people being genuinely good at this right now will put you in a much smaller room. Three, it scales past freelancing. Once you understand this platform well enough, you are not capped at doing the work yourself. You can package it, build reusable system for a niche, and run it like an agency. If you understand GoHighLevel very well, you can build it out on your own, build automation, emails, workflow, pipelines, sales funnel, build out forms, set up all of those stuff. Then you can approach a real estate company or you approach a car detailing company or insurance. You tell them the solution that comes with these things, then you can sell it to them. You will tell them that you will help them to manage it. Do you get? So when they see the good work that CRM is doing for you, they can't just fire you. They will keep you. And you can white label GoHighLevel. They won't even know that the CRM you are selling to them is called GoHighLevel, depending on the package that you are on. Do you understand? 4, this changes fast. GoHighLevel ships new features every single week, especially on the AI side. The people who master it now, while most freelancers are still struggling out what the CRM even is, are the ones who will be seen as the experts a year from now. Being early is the advantage. It won't stay this open forever. So no, this isn't something to watch once and forget. This is something to actually sit with, practice, and get good at it. Because the business that need this aren't going anywhere. The only question is whether you are ready when they come looking for you. Trust me. It is, if you have the skill, you cannot be replaced. If you understand it very well, they can't replace you. Yes, AI is taking work, but not when you master AI. You will use AI to get works. You will use AI to land jobs. You will be hired because you are efficient at a particular thing that relates with AI. Do you understand? So if that makes sense to you and you are ready to actually learn this the right way, stick around. You can check the link, or I will be posting it here or wherever, or you contact me directly, then we can talk about it. This is GoHighLevel CRM, and it is in demand in 2026 and beyond. Businesses need GoHighLevel, and they are hiring on Upwork, hiring on Fiverr, hiring on LinkedIn. This Yes, I've landed two major big clients on LinkedIn. One paid over 10K, $10,000. The other one paid over 13,000, between 12,000 to $13,000. A single client to set up GoHighLevel. But I will expose you to how I do it. You don't just say, yes, I can do it, and they pay you such an amount of money. There's a way you strategically position your proposal. There's a way you strategically position yourself and present your proposal. Do you understand? You learn conversion. All of those thoughts will come. So this is just a brief of GoHighLevel for those who do not understand what the service is. Do you get? You can land clients from any. I see people posting on Twitter. They just go there, they post about GoHighLevel on Twitter. Then clients can reach you. I have a friend who is getting jobs on Instagram. He doesn't know how Upwork or Fiverr works. There are people like that. They don't use all of those platforms. They use social media. Some, they are on groups. They are positioned on Facebook. That is where they land their gigs. And they are making money. The beautiful thing about this, you can even have one client and they are paying you well. Imagine in African countries where you get hired and the client is even paying, even if it is $2,500 per month, which is, I don't want to say it is common, but which is possible. Do you understand? So imagine such an amount and you are getting it per month. So from there, you are able to put your time into another thing. You learn, you continue in it, and you are all good. So if you have any question, either drop it in the comment section or send me a DM.